Hey, this is a little thing I got instructions for over the internet. Quickly, it is an unfinished design for the MOVA ball run tower. Now, what's basically I just started on. That's all they have here of the instructions, not the rest. They might make it a real thing. And they have this little bar. I need to get the ball to and show you about stuff. But first, I want to show you some bendable thing. These little bendable things are pretty cool. Go on and all that. I'm going to go get the balls. Now, the instructions, I don't have any balls. I just designed my specially own balls for the coaster. Oops. Okay. So we're gonna start. Where'd they go? Can't find them. Wait, just search. Oh wow, there they are. Got them. Anyways, so this should be in the Knex bucket. There. Now, basically what we're going to do here is what happens... Oh, smiley face one. What happens is it goes up. What would happen in real life? There'd be a lift right there. It would come up, go down. Well, I think the lift right here. It's either that or that. It's either there would be a ramp here and it would come up, fall, come up, down, like that. It'd be pretty cool. And the other version, it's running out of space, oh crap. It goes up, it will turn around, go down, come around, drop, and then it will go straight up to and go down. Up, down. So, that is it. This is Godzilla Productions, and you are watching. Oh no!